this video will tell you more details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. Property information. You will find lots of reviews and reviews on Agios Andreas Beach review rating for 7.8, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Property accept major credit cards and reserve prior to the venue, hold an amount prior to arrival.